Hello, our friends. We're going to be drawing Shoto Todoroki. All right, so get your pencils ready. All right, so to start with, we are going to start with her hand. I know you might be thinking, that's weird. So we're going to make a little triangle like that. And it's going to go down, back around, and then back up like so. And then we've got a little nail bed here. Okay, then for the next finger, it's just gonna come up, back around, down, and then we've got another one here, up, back around, down, and then we've got the little pinky. It's gonna go just down like so, and back, and then this one comes down into the hand, just like that. And then underneath here, we've got the back of the hand. It goes down into the wrist. And then we have a shirt on top of that, which is just going to be like kind of a curvy line like so. And then that's just going to go down. All right, so now we're going to draw her, and she has a mask on. So we're going to draw the mask coming up from the finger like this, coming across like this, and then a little kind of curvy line there. And then right here in the bend, we're gonna draw it to the curvy line like that. And then she's got a little like kitty cat thing on her face. I think this is what it is. It's a little heart with a little tent, little upside down V. And then we're gonna draw some little whisker lines like so. All right, now we're gonna draw the top of her head. Okay, so we're gonna start up here, and we're just gonna draw a line coming down like that. And then we're gonna draw some little hairs coming off. Like so. And we're gonna draw some hairs coming up and then back down. We're just gonna do some zigzagging. Like that. And then we're gonna put an ear here. Oops. I should have put the ear back here. There we go. And then the mask comes back here, so I'll get rid of that. All right, or you could turn it into hair. I'll do that. All right. Then from the ear, we have a little neck, and then we have another little piece of neck under here. And then we have a little curvy thing there for the turtleneck collar, turtly turtle, like so. And then this just kind of comes back. And then this one comes around, and you don't really see it much anymore because, you know, she's got her arm up, or he. Okay, so now what we're gonna do is we're gonna add a little more hair here, add some strips in here, then we're gonna put an eye right here. Like that. And a little suggestion of a nose. Then we have another eye here. And this is kind of thicker right here. And then we have a teeny tiny little eyebrow there. Then on this side, have a slanted line there. And then this bottom line is more flat. And then we have another eyeball. There we go. We'll just put some little, there we are. And then this top piece is a little thicker. We have a little eyebrow there. And then over here, we have some more zigzaggies. And we have the rest of the head. And we'll put some little suggestion lines. And this one is half red, half white hair. So we'll put a little line there. There we go. I think that looks pretty good. All right, if you enjoyed this video, please subscribe and give it a thumbs up. Thanks for watching.